Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting the bumper closely to distinguish cracks from surface scuffs because repair technique differs. Once identified, clean thoroughly with a degreaser so adhesives and fillers bond. Make sure the surface is dry. Then sand around the damaged zone with 180-220 grit to create mechanical adhesion and remove loose paint. You want a workable profile, not long scratches. This helps fillers stick and primer wet out evenly. Gather filler, plastic welder or reinforced tape. Next, you're ready for the repair step. You repair structure first. Use a plastic weld or fiberglass patch for cracks so the bumper regains strength. That prevents future failure under stress. Once cured, mix and apply body filler in thin layers to rebuild shape. Because thick layers sag, sand each layer smooth to 300-400 grit for a seamless contour. After shaping, wipe dust away, spray adhesion promoter for plastic, then apply 2 light coats of primer. Sand between coats to erase texture. This creates a stable, paint-ready surface for color. You finish by block sanding primer smooth and removing dust with a tack cloth so the base coat goes on clean. Then spray the base coat in even 2-3 passes, holding consistent distance. Feather into adjacent panels if needed to blend color, because seamless transitions hide repairs. Follow with 2-3 wet coats of clear coat for gloss and protection. Allow proper flash time between coats. Once cured, you can wet sand lightly and polish. If runs or orange peel appear, wet sand and buff. That corrects surface defects quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.